In this example, we'll take a look at how to turn journal entries into an endless source of inspiration with mirrors. Here are my journal entries for March the 1st. I took down some notes throughout the day, and that's great. The problem is that tomorrow I would basically close this bullet, open up a new one, and that would be the end of this. And that's a problem because there's some ideas and inspiration that I want to pull from here so they don't just get lost forever. With mirrors, we can do that and also keep the reference of exactly where that idea came from. So what I can do is, I'll just go through this quickly. We went for a quick jog in the morning, saw some neat looking birds. I wish I knew what birds they were. So that sounds like something I could add to my to learn list, which I have up here. So what I'll do is mirror this by using the keyboard shortcut. That's Command-Shift-M on Mac or Alt-Shift-M on Windows. I'm going to go ahead and open up my to learn bullet and I'll paste it in here. Next, I'll go ahead and create a better name for this. So something like learn how to spot birds, and I'll take the mirror and put it as a sub bullet. There we go. So now what I can do is I can add my links, resources, whatever within this bullet. And if I ever want to check where did this idea come from, learn how to spot birds, what was I thinking, we can go to the mirror bullet here to the item menu. You click on that and you get this little menu that says Note has 2 mirrors, see them. You click on that and you can see all the different mirrors that you've created for that bullet. So we can see that this actually originally came from a journal entry on Monday, March the 1st. So I could click on that and jump to it and check it out and see basically the context of what was happening throughout that day when I had that idea. So that's something that you really can't do anywhere else. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. All right. Next, I made a quick breakfast, saw that I had a bunch of garam masala left over. I wasn't sure what to do with it, but I had an idea for an app that could give me recipes based on leftover ingredients. So that sounds like a pretty interesting idea. I might want to try to do something with later. Again, I'll use the keyboard shortcut, and I've got a section up here of ideas. So I'll go ahead and mirror that here. And again, I'm just going to create another bullet to give it a better name. So something like AI-powered recipe app based on leftover ingredients. And I'll make this a sub bullet. And again, there we go. Cool. Next, I got to work. I made some progress on a new feature launch. Then my coworker Kim said something along the lines of, if it's worth doing, don't think about how long it'll take. Just do it. Time's going to pass whether you do it or not. And I thought that was an interesting way of framing the passing of time. So that's an interesting quote I wrote down. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and mirror this into a section. I have 4 quotes under here, which is an interesting quote. I'll paste it there. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as is because it's perfectly fine. I don't need to put it under another bullet. And there we go. That's how I took my journal notes, broke them down, and pulled out basically all those little seeds, those little nuggets of inspiration that happen throughout the day. And usually if you do write them down and you keep a journal, unless you are really meticulous about it, you're going to forget them. You're going to think about them 3 months down the line. It would be much better if you actually mirror them into places where they'll be more productive, where you can see them all together, you can build on those ideas and actually turn them into some really interesting things. So that's just another thing you can do with mirrors.